What's up, everybody? I'm back at the Heaven. There's that not running. It's cold, and that is subcooling. It's a 2007. This one it was frozen last time. I'm gonna go see if it is. Yep. The other one's running. Well, warmish air. Still so frozen. But that's subcooling. It's a 2006 two-ton. It's not good. Those leaves are sticking to it. Sunglasses, as you can see. Oh, the Lennox is running! Mom, the Lennox is running! First time seeing this one run. It's whisper quiet. Way quieter than this one. Finally, I saw this unit running. Great. Wow. I was never expecting this. That's cool. It's working all right. That's subcooling. I think those are both subcooling. It's cold air coming out. Nice. I'm gonna take a picture of these two. Nice. I can't believe it. Thermal zone's on. Weather King is too. Lux Air has not been running. It's 2018 two-ton. This one still has a bad cap. That one's pulling some heat. That's actually not even that warm. I'm gonna dig under for the suction line. It's cold. That is a little warm. 2010 two-ton. It's a bad run cap. Sucks. Maratherm and Coleman has been running. Has not been running. This one doesn't run. Oh, the Weather King shut down. Oh, shut down. Now all you can hear is this one. Got this shutting off a couple times. I did once, never uploaded the video. Now back to these. Bad cap on that one. Yep, that's been running. There's heat coming off of it. 2020 two-ton. It's a Marathon. As you can see right here. I'm gonna take a picture of these two since I like these. Can't believe I caught the Lennox running finally. That was so cool. Yes, I'm wearing Crocs. This one here has been running. Yeah, that's sweaty. Should I wait for a startup of this? Oh, I'm not. There's a wasp right there. It's a car. Here's the janitrol running. And it looks like it's fixed too. Pulling some heat. That's whisper quiet. That's cold and sweaty. That's very warm. This thing's working great. This thing's finally fixed. Don't know what this is. Here's this one. Not running. Has not been running. Oh crap. There it is. 2004 two-ton cooking reset. I'm gonna take a picture of this and a picture of this one, since I like this unit. I'm gonna head back. And of course I have to get a crank. This one is still off. I'll just kick that. Well, screw it. Still on. Bag cap. Farewell, possibly. That one is still off. These are both still running. That motor I turned on. That's still running frozen. Farewell. Oh, squirrel. Just jumped on the freaking Nora. That was funny. And this one's still on. I'm going. That's dirty. I'm going to take a picture of these two. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.